Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to get financing on your Whop if you're not in the USA. First, ensure your store uses Whop payments, as BNPL is only available through this method. Next, offer one-time purchase products, since BNPL isn't available for recurring subscriptions. Then, utilize BNPL providers that support international merchants such as Klarna or Afterpay. Verify that your chosen BNPL provider operates in your country and supports your currency. Now, integrate the BNPL provider into your Whop store's checkout process. Clearly display BNPL options on your product pages to inform customers. Comply with the BNPL provider's terms and conditions to maintain eligibility. Then, monitor your store's performance and customer feedback to optimize offerings. Stay updated on any changes in BNPL services or international regulations that may affect your store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.
Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.